Back against the wall, this is literally what I'd do if I had no other choice but to make $5,000 in the next 30 days with UGC. Today, I'm not gonna give you like one of those BS, here are like the 100 brands you can reach out to right now. This is what I'd do if my own life depended on it. I received this question in my Instagram DMs yesterday. Hi Gloria, I'm in a kind of interesting situation right now and wanted your personal advice. I live in New York City and I just got laid off from my 6-figure corporate job this past month. My rent is $3.5K per month and I'm currently struggling right now to pay my dues. I have a lot of free time at the moment and honestly willing to work as hard as possible and do whatever it takes to make UGC work. I've dabbled in and out of UGC over the past 3 months, but never was committed. I guess now is the perfect time for me to start, and the most I've ever been paid for a brand deal was just $150. And that was just from a job posting from a SaaS brand in the UGC subreddit. And if you had to make $5K a month in the shortest amount of time possible, what would you do? My goal is to hit it within a month. If I'm actually able to pull it off, it would do wonders for me. And I'm so stressed out at the moment. I don't even know if this is even like possible. Is it even realistic? So sorry this was so long. It would mean the world if you took the time to respond to this. Thank you, Gloria. So let me tell you what I responded. And by the way, for context, I've consistently made 5 to 10K per month as a UGC creator since 2024. So this is actionable advice that's been tested in real time and it's updated. I made multiple other posts on this subreddit talking about my journey and lessons, if you're curious. Here's my response to the girl. First of all, I'm honest you're asking for my advice because literally a year ago, I was in your exact shoes, slaving myself at Walmart, dreading my 9 to 5, looking for better days. I wanted to start this response by first addressing your final question, is it even possible? And my answer is absolutely yes. Is it likely? No. You're asking to go from 0 to top 10% of UGC creator income in your first month. Just being realistic here, I don't want to give you any delusions of a grandeur, as a ton of UGC creators come in with false expectations that they're going to get rich quick, and when they don't, they quit easily. I always say it's a long-term game. However, the advice I'm going to give you today is exactly what I've told my younger self a year ago from now, and will be actionable enough that if you do follow the procedure exactly, you will impress yourself with how much you make this month. Now, I can't guarantee you're gonna hit 5K within the next month. I can't guarantee anything. It could be 3K, it could be 5K, heck, who knows? It could be more. But what we can guarantee is that we try our hardest to see what happens. This is just me from speaking from experience on what I would do to starting from 0 with 0 connections and 0 skills, and I'm 99% confident in my ability to hit minimum 5K per month. Anyway, let me spill the sauce already. LOL. If you're starting from 0, take everything your way. You're not in a position to negotiate. You have no testimonials, no leverage. Stop complaining about low-paying brand deals. Stop trying to charge for usage rights. Stop worrying about long-term retainers right away. Just get your foot in the door first. Take every opportunity that comes your way. So let's start with the low-hanging fruit. You're probably in most of these already, but in case, scout all of the top platforms: Reddit, Twitter, X, Backstage, Fiverr, Upwork, LinkedIn, Instagram, TikTok, and apply to these creative agencies. Trend.io, Mini Social, Billo, Creator Co, Actaully, Incense, The Shelf, Modash, Creator Commerce, and Open Influence. And after that, you should be spending minimum 30 minutes a day on these platforms searching for opportunities. Now let's talk about outreach. A lot of creators have the misconception that you can hit 5 to 10K per month sending 5 emails a day. Very unrealistic. I personally send 500 emails a day, and most UGC creators I know who are making 6 figures are doing the same, especially if you don't have a big following. I only have 300 followers on Instagram, so do so much volume, it will feel impossible to fail. Realistically, aim to send 50 to 100 emails a day when starting off. To scale 500 emails a day, you need to have proof of concept. Your outreach script needs to work, and you have to have the nuances behind the personalization. Remember, 1,000,000 multiplied by 0 is still 0. You need volume, but more importantly, strategic volume. So set up your cold email and you can literally do it in 15 minutes. Get Lemlist or Instantly AI. It automates 100 to 150 plus emails a day. Connect Gmail warm up and send cold emails. 24/7 use Miley Fox or Apollo for lead scraping. Scrape brand emails by niche. Shopify stores, SaaS, etc. Export the CSVs and then plug them into Lemlist. Get the basic cold email scripts up that actually get replies. So here's an email you can send. Hey team name. Hope you're having a great summer. I wanted to pitch a few UGC concepts that highlight your skincare line's clean, luxurious feel, especially relevant during the warmer months when people crave light, natural routines that actually work. I specialize in creating summer-friendly, conversion-driven content. Think skin prep outlines for dewy glow, SPF layering for sunny days, and no makeup confident looks. These perform well because they tap into seasonal behavior shifts and emotional triggers like bare skin confidence and sun-kissed simplicity which converts. I partner with brands like Brand 1, Brand 2, Brand 3, and have been featured in X amount, 500 plus, ads optimized for scroll stopping visuals and trust building storytelling. And I'd love to bring the same authenticity to your brand. Are you open to hearing 2 to 3 custom video ideas for your brand? That's a great email to start off with. Use Lemmas to automate follow-up 5+ times afterwards. And now that you have a good cold email system up that's capable of sending hundreds of emails, now this is very important to follow. Choose your niche correctly, please. If you're gonna send emails every day, competing with thousands of other UGC creators, this is the easiest way to stand out. Sure, you can be creative with your outreach script and first message, but even better, $1 million hidden niche. Pick a niche that pays well, and don't be cute, be smart. Forget the skincare, fashion, beauty, makeup brands. They're underpaying and flooded with creators. They know they can get away with their gifted collabs. Instead, look at options like financial tools, budgeting and investing apps, legal services, boring SaaS, HR, scheduling AI apps, home tech, medical, telehealth, construction, blue collar, online education. These brands actively need UGC. And the best thing is that there's zero competition in them, literally zero UGC creators that are targeting them. Just to recap so far, we have the creative agencies, job boards, our outreach system, and our secret niche. And if you're following through, you should be getting tons of replies from brands now and booking brand calls. So here's a quick brand call framework for you. Set the tone and let them know you'll keep it quick and focused. Ask results-focused questions like what kind of UGC has worked out and not worked for you recently. Identify one clear gap based on what they say or what you researched. Point out a creative opportunity they're missing. Pitch 1 to 2 custom content ideas, and then make quick strategic suggestions that speak directly to their brand and their pain points. Drop a simple 3-tier offer and close. Give them options, 1 video, 3 videos, or a retainer, and ask if they want to lock it in a spot. And that's it. That's the sauce on how to actually sign $5K worth of UGC deals within the next 30 days. Seems pretty simple, right? Because it is, and it's not supposed to be super advanced or hard, but it's not the information that most creators fail, it's the mindset, their ability to take action, accept rejection from brands, and keep going. That's what separates the top UGC creators. So I have a completely free community on everything I talked about in this video today, from sending pitches to niches to systems I use in my business. So join my community for free, link in description below to unlock it.